Yeah, bona fide that one fellow has attached the bona fide,
Yes,
and
sir.
it appeared to be a fraudulent certificate, like because
Sir?
the the ID card which bears the signature of a director, the director's signature has been forged actually. How do I sign the paper?
Sir, he's actually in the class, sir, now. He's here.
See, you want to get it, you convince the warden, but of course I am doing it. Very difficult actually. I had to manage all the things. And you say that you don't submit it in a proper format also. Anyhow, after the class, I will look into it.
Okay, sir. Actually,
So, how many of you are here? 46 only, 47. Okay, we start the class by right. Yesterday we have seen the plane table surveying with three methods. What are those three methods?
Intersection, transverse, and
Huh?
geometrical.
Three method of doing a plane table surveying. Method
In
of radiation,
intersection,
method of
traverse,
intersection, and method of
traverse.
traverse. So the other method is what is called a resection. RESECTION, resection. Resection is a process of determining the position of station occupied by the plane table by taking observation towards the known field points. So here you don't use any tape or any measuring devices. Without that, you should be in a position to find out the station occupied by the plane table on a sheet of paper by taking observation towards the three known field points whose position has been plotted already in the sheet of paper. I will repeat it. I have not added any sentence in this thing. I will simply tell you the procedure. Unless you watch it very carefully, it's very difficult actually. Otherwise, if you have a book, it's okay. So resection is a process of determination of the position occupied by the plane table with respect to the three known points whose position has been plotted already. Resection is a process of determination of station occupied by the plane table by taking observation towards the known field point and which position have been already plotted on the sheet of paper. Suppose three points are there, then it is called a 3-point problem. Suppose two field points are there, it is called a 2-point problem. Do you get the point? Resection. What is resection? Anybody, can you repeat it? It is one. Again, I'll tell you, resection is the process of determination of position occupied by the plane table with reference to three field points whose position have, already been plotted on the sheet of paper. Suppose there are 3 points, the problem is called a 3-point problem. If you got 2 points, it is called a 2-point problem. Resection. Method of resection. So you don't have, you need to, need to have a tape or anything. By just observing the position of the point, then you can try to find out what is the position occupied by the plane table with reference to the field point whose position has already been plotted on the sheet of paper. Okay, if it are 3 points, it forms a, there are 3 points on the this thing. It forms a what? It forms a 3 points on the field. It forms a triangle by 3 points are there. There are 3 points. So you know 3 sides. You can plot it. Suppose I say that we have got a triangle ABC. Okay. I know what is AB. I know what is BC. I know what is CA. So what I can do, I can plot the triangle. Is it very difficult for you? 3 sides are known. How will you draw a triangle? That and all I will not teach you. So you can draw a triangle. So you can track the point. Okay. Now you have occupied a position. You have occupied a position P with respect to 3 field points. So first I will take up what is called a 3-point problem. What is a 3-point problem? So 3 field points are there. Which position I know what is the distance AB, I know what is the distance BC, and I know what is distance CA. So I have to find out the station occupied by the plane table. The station occupied by the plane table with reference to the 3 field points whose position are plotted already on the sheet of paper. Okay. Up to that is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll go to the figure. So you have got a 3 different field point. No. You have got a 3 field point. Capital A, capital B, capital C. This is capital C actually. So this is the capital C. So I have plotted the ABC here, small a, small b, small c, and I have occupied a position P. So to determine the position occupied by the plane table with reference to the 3 field point, okay, and determination of the field point with reference to ABC is what is called a resection. Okay. Is that okay? No. Now I have ABC, small a, small b, small c. What I do, I set a plane table at point P. What is our objective now? What is our objective? To find out a position occupied by P. Okay. Now I put a pin on A. First I set the point at P, leaven the plane table, and then pivoting the alidate about point A, I sight A and draw a ray. Okay, the ray is drawn. And pivoting the alidate about B, another ray is drawn. Pivoting the alidate about the C, I have drawn a ray C. If that happened to be the point with reference to ABC, all the 3 rays should merge at a single point. That is nothing but the station occupied by the plane table. Is it okay? If you look at this, it forms a triangle of error actually. There is a triangle of error, there is a small dot in that. So you have to find out the station occupied by the plane table with reference to the three field point A, B, C. So if you are able to determine you have oriented the table properly with reference to 3 ABC. Suppose pivoting the validate about A and draw a ray, and pivoting the validate about B, you draw a ray. Three rays, the three rays should merge in a single point, which is nothing but the station occupied by the plane table with reference to the three field point. Is that okay? Other way, they form what is called the triangle of error. If you got, if you understand this, you say yes. Other way, I will repeat it again.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why will we get error, sir? Because we are pivoting that validate at the point only drawing the ray, no, sir. So
Pardon?
we will never get an error. Sir, we are pivoting the validate at the point only, no, sir. At the wherever we are keeping.
With reference to the field point, you have to orient your table properly. Then only about A to A and B to B and C to C. If you draw a ray, if your position occupied by the plane table is perfect, all the three rays will merge at one single point. That is nothing but the station occupied by the plane table, which you have plotted on the sheet of paper. The idea is the determination of the station occupied by the plane table with reference to the three field points whose position are already been plotted on the sheet of paper. You should understand that. So I have to find out the position. I am setting it at point P. I don't know what is P. With reference to ABC, you have to fix up P, right? If your position is correct, all the three rays will merge at a point. Other way, they form what is called a triangle of error. You understand that? The errors to be minimized and it should merge at a single point. What now? There is a method called a trial and error method. What is that? Error triangle has been formed. This is the error triangle. You see that. This is the error triangle. There is an error triangle. What you do? You have to select a point such a way that all the three rays. So the station occupied is outside the triangle, the greater triangle. The greater triangle is ABC. Okay, the greater triangle is ABC, and the smaller triangle is the small a, small b, small c. So the error triangle is formed. So what you should do? There are the riders are there. How to choose the successive point? So what you can do is you can find out one point outside the triangle of error, because it is lying outside the triangle. So we have to select when the proximity, the distance of A to P and B to P, in proportion to that you have to select a trial and error. You have another point P dash. Then you join P dash A, P dash B, P dash C. Okay. Then place the validate along P dash A. Then site A, clamp the table from A to A, B to B, C to C. If you are drawing all the three rays, if it merges, then that is called the station occupied by the plane table. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is what is called a trial and error method, and you have got a rider for that also. Okay, I just leave it to you to study from that. Now the 3-point problem. The 3-point problem, I will tell you the step-by-step procedure how to find out the station occupied by the plane table. Okay. I will tell you how to find out the position occupied by the plane table. The figure is visible to you? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. Capital A, capital B, capital C, here they are the field point. Capital A, capital B, capital C are the field point. Small a, small b, small c is the point which you are drawn, and you have set a table at a point P. Okay. So with reference to the point P, with reference to the field point ABC, you have to find out the station occupied by the plane table on the sheet of paper. Okay, you are finding out only the point P. You are finding out what is only the point P occupied by the station with respect to the three field point A, B and C. Okay. Unless you research it carefully, you will not understand, boys. Okay. First step. What you do is small a, small b, small c is your small a, small b, small c is your plotted position. Okay. Now what you do is you place the validate along BA. Place the validate along BA. Rotate the table till A is bisected. Place the validate along BA. Rotate the table till capital A is bisected. Okay. This is the first step. Right. Clamp the table. Then on there should not be any rotation of the table. So first thing is place the validate along BA. Place the validate along small BA. Rotate the table and bisect point A. Once you get it, clamp the table. You have to clamp the table. Okay. After that, pivot the validate about point B. Side, rotate the validate and side to capital B and draw a ray and name it as XY. Name it as XY. Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Huh? I'll repeat it once again. Place the validate along BA. Rotate the table till capital A is bisected. Clamp the table. Pivoting the validate about small b. Rotate the validate till B is bisected. Draw a ray and name it as XY. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, second step. You place the validate along AB. Place the validate along small a, small b. Rotate the table till B is bisected. Rotate the table till B is bisected. Clamp the table. Clamp the table. Place the validate along A. Pivot the validate along A. Place the validate along A. Pivot the validate about A. Rotate the validate till C is bisected. The ray intersect XY line at C dash. The first part, you are pivoting the validate about BA. Rotate the table till capital A is bisected. Clamp the table. Pivoting the validate about point B. Site capital B. Draw a ray and name it as XY. Second part, place the validate along AB. Rotate the table till B is bisected. Clamp the table. Pivoting the validate about A. Side to capital C and draw a ray, and that will intersect the XY line at C dash. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay? Okay? So the second step, you are placing the validate along AB, rotate the table until B is bisected. You are placing the validate along AB, rotate the table till B is bisected. Once that is be done, you clamp the table, pivoting the validate about point A, rotate the validate and see that C is sighted. Draw a ray which intersect the XY line at C dash. Okay. Join CC dash. Join CC dash. Place the validate along C dash C. Rotate the table till C is bisected. Clamp the table. You get it? So up to C dash is okay.
Yes, sir.
Up to C dash is okay. Join C dash C. Place the validate along C dash C. Rotate the table till C is bisected. Clamp the table from A to A, B to B, and C to C. If you draw the ray, all the thing will merge at a single point, which is nothing but station occupied by the plane table. Station occupied by the plane table. Okay, so that is the third step. You have a third step. Okay. So third step is C dash C. You are placing the validate along C dash C. Rotate the table till C is bisected. Clamp the table from A to A, B to B, and C to C. You draw a ray. All this will merge at a single point. This point, the pointer, this point. This is nothing but station occupied by the plane table. Is it okay? Right?
Yes.
This method is called the Bessel's method. BESEL, Bessel's method. It's one who has given the solution for a 3-point problem. The 3-point problem has got one limitation. What is the limitation? So you have not measured anything. Suppose I say that I want to find out the another field point D is there, which is in line with the AC. I have to find out what is CD. How will you do that? How will you do that? I have got a field point D on the extreme out actually. It is in line with the AC. If I join a line AC and produce the line, it lie on AC produced. I wanted to find out the distance of CD. How do I do that? After doing this 3-point problem. There is no answer in the sheet. You have to find out and you have to apply your knowledge and tell me. Tell me please.
Sir, sir, on the paper we can join A and C, sir, small a and small c, and then using the validate we can locate the D and draw a ray, sir. This ray will intersect AC at a point.
Where will you fix
Sir?
validate? Where will you fix validate?
Sir, at the point of intersection of all 3 points, A, B, and C, that the point of table,
That is
sir.
the station occupied by the plane table.
Yeah, table. Yes,
So
sir.
you have to pivot the validate about the point P, side to D and draw a ray, extend AC, the intersection of the two ray will give you point D. So you can measure that because already you have drawn ABC to the scale. Do you understand that concept of a 3-point problem now? So what is that all along we have been doing is to find out the station occupied by the plane table by means of observation taken towards a known field point whose position have already been plotted on the sheet of paper. So this is what is called a method of resection. Suppose we do it for with reference to the 3 field point, it is called a 3-point problem. If you are doing it with the reference to 2 field point, it is called a 2-point problem. Okay? Do you understand this? I will proceed to the next one. Do you understand this? So what is that you have found out is station occupied by the plane table with reference to the 3 field point. So this is the field point P. This is what is called a solution to the 3-point problem. Because I have not given you 3-point problem now, but in a bullet point I have given you a 3-point problem solution. So place the first step, place the validate along BA, site capital A, clamp the table, pivoting the validate about B, site C and draw array, name it as XY. Okay. Then the clamp should come here actually. The clamp should come here. So is it okay? So BA to A, clamp from B, site C and draw array, name it as XY. Then place it along AB, site B, clamp from A, site C and draw array to cut XY at C dash, join C dash C, validate along C dash C with other way written, site C and then clamp from A to A, B to B and C to C, draw array to meet at point. This is nothing but the station occupied by the plane table with reference to the 3 field point whose position have already been plotted on a scale of on the sheet of paper. Is it okay? Somebody can take note of it. Right. Now this method is called the Bessel's graphical solution. There is another solution also there. It is given in the book. What you do is capital A, B and C are the field point. Small a, small b, small c are the plotted version of the field point. So now what you do is to draw a perpendicular, okay, at A, perpendicular to AB. Draw a perpendicular to AB. Okay. Now you place the perpendicular line and place it on the perpendicular line. Rotate the table till A is bisected. Rotate the table till A is bisected. Pivoting about the point B, site B and draw a ray that will intersect the perpendicular at a point some O. Okay, or E, whatever it is. What is the name it has been given? E. Okay. Now you got a E, right? Now you draw a perpendicular at a point C perpendicular to CB. So place your validate along CB and then bisect C. Then pivoting the validate about B, site capital B and draw a ray, it will intersect that at F. Join EF, find out the midpoint of it and join with the B, rotate the table till B is bisected. From A to A, B to B and C to C, if we draw the rays, all will merge at point that is nothing but a station occupied by the plane table. Okay, I think this method is easier for you.
Yes, sir.
Which is the easier method, either this one or the other one? Do you understand this method? So very simple. You have got a plotted version ABC. You drop a perpendicular at A, perpendicular to BA. Place the validate along the perpendicular. Rotate the table till A is bisected. Clamp the table. Pivoting the validate about B. Site capital B. Draw a ray. The intersection of these two will meet at a point E. Then you do the same procedure. Draw a perpendicular to CB at C. Place your validate along the perpendicular line. Rotate the table and see that the C point is bisected. Okay. And keeping a validate at that point B, site capital B, and draw a ray, it will intersect at F. Join EF. Find the midpoint of EF. Join the midpoint of EF with B. Place the validate along that ray, rotate the table till capital B is bisected. From A to A, B to B and C to C, if you draw all the three rays, that will merge at a point which is nothing but a station occupied by the plane table with reference to the three field point. Okay. So the earlier method is called the Bessel's graphical solution method. This method is, I don't have a name, but this is also a method available in the textbook actually. This has been taken from B.G. Purnia book. With that, shall we go to the 2-point problem? Okay. So this is what is called the 2-point problem. One has to be very careful because 3-point problem is easier, 2-point problem is difficult actually. 2-point problem is easier, 3-point problem is little bit difficult, but you can solve the problem. So A and B are the two field point whose position has been plotted already on the sheet of paper as given as small a, small b. So you have to select an auxiliary point D. You have to select an auxiliary point D. Okay. You have to select an auxiliary point D. So first instance you have to set your plane table at point D. Level your table. And what you do is, you have, when you are setting out, see that it is parallel to the line AB. You have to see that approximately your plane table position and AB is, small AB is parallel to capital AB. Okay. So once you do that, what you do is pivoting the validate about A, you draw a ray, and pivoting the validate about B, you draw a ray. This is point D. You transfer this point D to the ground, and pivoting about that point, select a point C, which is quite far off from your auxiliary station D, and draw a ray. So you got a ray DC1. Okay. So what do? You are occupying a first station, auxiliary station D. You are keeping your drawing table or your small AB parallel to capital AB. So once you clamp the table, what you do is You place the validate along A, draw a site capital A and draw a ray. Pivot validate about B and site capital B and draw a ray. They will intersect at D dash. Transfer these D dash to the ground using a plumbing fork and mark a point D. Then you choose a field point, another point C, and fix up a point C and draw a ray. Okay, so now we have done the first part at point D. Shift your plane table to point C. Shift your plane table to point C. Now what you do is you place the validate along C1D, because we don't know what is it, C1D, and rotate the table till D is bisected. This is what is called a orientation of the plane table with reference to the previous point. Once you are done it, pivoting the validate about A, site capital A, and draw a ray, intersection of AC1 at C. Okay, now you got a C. Pivoting the validate about a C, look at point A and draw a ray which will cut the diagonal DB at some point B dash. So BA B dash is the angular error which you have to nullify. Right. So now what you do? You place the validate along AB dash and ask the person to hold a ranging rod and fix a point P. Okay. Now you place the validate along AB, rotate the table and bisect the point P. Now the table is perfectly oriented from A to A and B to B. If you draw, they will intersect at a point C, which is nothing but the station occupied by the plane table. Is that okay? 2-point problem. 2-point problem. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Can somebody repeat it? How you do a 2-point problem without any error? What will you do at A? D? Fit the table at D. Level the table and see that AB is parallel to capital AB. Pivoting the validate about A, draw a ray. Pivoting the validate about small b, site capital B, draw a ray which will intersect at D. Transfer this D point to the ground and name it as capital D. And you are going to choose another point C. So place the validate along DC and then ask a person to come in range and fix up a point C. Once you are done, your first work at auxiliary station is over. Shift your table to point C. Shift your table to point C. Okay. And then you place the validate along C1D, rotate the table till D is bisected, clamp the table. Pivoting the validate about A, site capital A, draw a ray which will intersect DC1 at C. Okay, clamp the table, then pivoting the validate about C, site capital B, draw a ray. It will intersect DB at a point DB dash. Place your validate along AB dash. Huh? Huh? ஐயோ நீ உள்ள தண்ணி கிடையாது அதான் சொன்னேன்ல. Place the validate along AB dash and ask the person to hold a ranging rod and fix up a point P. Place the validate along AB, rotate the table till P is bisected. Clamp the table A to A and B to B. If you draw a ray, the intersection of it will give you point C, which is nothing but a station occupied by the plane table with reference to the two field point AB. This is what is called the 2-point problem. 2-point problem is very easy, easier than a 3-point problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, so when you write a solution for a 3-point problem or 2-point problem, it should be absolutely correct. When you say that keeping the point at A, D point, and then from A to A, B to B, I am drawing a ray, you should also include that clamp the table. There should not be any movement. It is a step-by-step procedure. It is not the procedure which I have discovered, which have been discovered for a long time actually. Okay. So I am telling you about a triangle of error actually. Triangle of error in the trial and error method. The trial and error method, you have got what is called a triangle of error. So how to choose a point, you have got a method of it. So something called a great circle is there. What is a great circle? The circle passing through the ABC. This is other way called as a circumcircle. It is other way called as a circumcircle in a triangle actually. Suppose if you are occupying your station in the circumcircle of ABC, there is no solution for the 3-point problem. That's the limitation. Suppose if the station occupied by the plane table lies on the circumcircle of the circle passing through ABC, okay, there is no solution for a 3-point problem. That is the limitation of the 3-point problem. Is it okay? So tomorrow there is no class because tomorrow is a Gandhi Jayanti. It's a declared holiday, government holiday. I don't want to take a class when there is a declared holiday. Okay? And when are we meeting? When are we meeting? Okay. Are you in the line? When are we meeting, boys?
Sir, probably on Tuesday, sir.
8th, you are taking the examination. Am I right? 8th by 4 o'clock, you are taking the examination.
Yes. Evening 4 p.m.
4 p.m. 4 p.m. Is it okay? Around 3:50 or so,
Yes,
I will
sir.
upload. I will upload by chance. I say by chance because I'm going out on the day. I'll come back by 4 o'clock where the assumption. Suppose if I'm not there, it get postponed by 1 hour. Okay, maximum by 2 hours. Either it is 4, 5 or 6. You be wiggle actually.
Okay.
Right. As soon as I come, I'll upload my question paper. 45. The question will be set for 40 minutes. Within 1 hour, you have to upload it. No other go. Okay. And then a 5 mark, there will be a viva which we will settle at later. Right? Because you people are copying, and we wanted that the real mark should go into the system. But I have not put it. All of you have seen your course plan? Course plan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt in that?
No, sir.
Okay,
So
fine.
the course plan as in the one you uploaded in the file section, right?
Here also on the website also has been uploaded.
Okay.
The same thing has been uploaded there also.
So is the plane table serving is there in CT?
Definitely, whatever is covered till today.
Sir, can you send this PPT in which we are teaching?
Everything is, you got a book now. Sorry, I'll share it with you, the class material. But okay, fine.
Sir.
Okay, I'll leave. We'll meet on 8th.
Thank you, sir.